Betway Premiership, Loftus Stadium, Loftus Versfeld Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Umfana lapha uNtshabeleng abangapha bathi uNtshabeleng Tshabeleng bese ngapha uMabasa ngapha ku Stellenbosch penalty. Umdlalo wakhona ube muhle kakhulu ikakhulukazi mawusaqala uke waba nduvu. The game was a little bit boring in the beginning, but from the 20th minute Allende started cooking. And he was cooking this team. He was playing very well, and he brought his teammates into the game. We can't say much that we can't say that Sundowns played bad today because they didn't win. No, Sundowns played very well. They played their game, though. I feel like there are some chances that they should have taken, but they didn't take those chances. There was Allende had some time. I think he thought he was going to take a shot, but he didn't take it. Yes, Salas should have taken a shot as well, and he didn't take it. So, yeah, it's the same thing like Chiefs and the Pirates. But anyway, Orlando Pirates is number 1, I think, with 1 point and a lot of goals. So this gives our league some strong competition is still coming. So it's a good light. Yeah, yes. It mustn't be a farmers league. Yeah. So let me just put you straight in anyway. What's your name, my brother?